We are pleased to show you the 2016 Altima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power mirrors, brake assist, traction control system, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.